Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a level 2 EV charger with Blink EV charging, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools and components for installation. Start by turning off the power to your electrical panel. Locate a suitable installation site for your Blink level 2 EV charger, typically in your garage or on an exterior wall. Remove the charger from its packaging and inspect it for any visible damage. Read the manufacturer's installation manual thoroughly before proceeding. Next, mark the mounting location on the wall, ensuring it is near the vehicle's parking space. Using a level, make sure your marks are straight before drilling any holes. Drill holes into the wall based on the mounting bracket size indicated in the manual. Attach the mounting bracket securely using the provided screws and anchors. If necessary, use a conduit for running the electrical cable to the charger. Run the appropriate gauge wire from your electrical panel to the charger location. Connect the wire to the charger according to the wiring diagram in the installation manual. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure to prevent any electrical issues. Now, it's time to mount the charger onto the wall by aligning it with the installed bracket. Double-check the alignment and make sure the charger is firmly attached. Next, turn the power back on at your electrical panel. Test the circuit to ensure it is functioning properly. Once verified, configure the Blink Level 2 EV charger settings via the mobile app or onboard display. Finally, plug in your electric vehicle to the charger and monitor the charging process to confirm everything is operating correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.